Hello, so in this video I will create a player model and animations. Open to the Unity Hub and open your project. Open to the Microsoft Edge and search Mixamo Animation and hit Enter. Open the Mixamo website. You sign up and enter the website. Select this character. Go to the Animation tab and search for running. I select this animation. Click to Download button and select Collada. Download. Again, click the Download button. Click FBX for Unity. Click Download. Close the Microsoft Edge. Open the File Explorer. Go to the Download section. Right-click on the running file and click Extract All as the name of running player and click Extract. Go to the Unity editor. Right-click to Project window and create a folder as the name of player. The running player file and AJ at running FBX file, drag and drop the player folder. Open the player folder. The player, drag and drop the player game object. Expand to the player and delete the bottom game object. Go to the player section and uncheck the mesh renderer. Click the player model. Go to the materials section and click Extract Textures. Open the running player folder and select Textures. And click the Extract Materials. Select the running player folder. Click the material. The material smoothness is 0. The texture, drag and drop the player. Please wait. I can set it. The position Y is equals to -0.5. Open the player folder. Duplicate the running animation. The running animation, drag and drop the player object. Click the running animation and loop time is checked. Let's play the game. As you can see, the player animation is working. Stop the game. So the next video I will create a jump system in Unity 6. Bye bye.